Hey there guys, I want to make a quick video here with my JVC speakers. These are small speakers, guys. I just bought this and it's a very nice speakers. Still in a good looking condition. And I hooked this up with my receiver and it sounds amazing. As you can see here, guys, let's open this cover here. The condition of the speaker is still nice, looks clean, and still it's not beat up. Yeah, so I bought this yesterday because I like the looks of it, and I want to show you guys something here. Go in the back. The purpose reason of this purchase here, guys, is because it's that right there. Okay, it says Company of Japan. So this speakers here, guys, made in Japan, and this is very hard to find nowadays. I mean, it come by once in a while and you'll never see them like most of the time. So from time to time maybe they'll show up, but I doubt it that these speakers will be out there most of the time, guys, because these are very rare and probably from the 70s or 80s, not sure. And I know it's a vintage looking, as you can see. It's brown and very hard to find, guys. I mean, this is the first time I saw these speakers, and from the company called JVC. I mean, it's very rare. Yeah. So I'm gonna check this online, how much it is. And these things, guys, comes with a CD player. I believe the CD player, it's a little probably broken, I would say. So I just end up buying the speakers. It looks old and kind of beat up, and I believe that the CD player is not working anymore. So the player is sitting in the middle, and then left and right the speakers are here. Yeah. So still nice speakers, guys, and the sound. Maybe you can let's try to play some music, guys, so you guys can hear the sound of this JVC. Yeah. So let's okay, this one here. All right. Let's try to play this guy. Let's see this one here. All right. So let's wait until the commercial is over, and we'll play. You guys can hear. It's the sound of this, guys. Nice. And up here, guys, I got two Boses. So I use that for my other stereo receivers, and I just need to buy the subwoofer, and that would be good, and I would save a lot of money with these two speakers here. So I do have both speakers somewhere down there. Yeah, so I can use that with this. I just don't have time to hook it up. So you can see my gears, guys. It's all up to the ceiling and down all the way down there. Got a lot of good goodies down there. So let's probably turn the volume down. Yep, it's a little high. So there it is, guys. Another video from a company called JBC, made in Japan. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.